What's up guys, welcome back to our channel 4 Geeks Eye. This is the third part of our Attack on Titan Season 1 series. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Days later, Dallas Zachary arrives to deliberate on Eren's fate, in which regiment should take charge of him. Commander Erwin proposes that they use him to retake Val Maria, while others think he should be killed. Eren, who should probably keep his mouth shut, screams at the detractors, calling them cowards. But Levi violently shuts him up and Zachary agrees to let him take part in trial scouting mission. We are then introduced to a number of elite scouts including Hanji, in charge of studying captured titans, who spends an entire night telling Eren everything she knows. When they are informed that the captured titan they had were killed, cadets are questioned to find the culprit as they decide which regiment they join, and Erwin speaks to the prospective scouts stating most of them will probably die and most end up leaving. The 57th exterior scouting mission commences, using an ingenious formation to avoid regular titans during their travel using smoke signals. However, abnormals with unpredictable behavior pose a threat. When a seemingly intelligent female titan comes running through the formation, followed by many regular titans, who wipe out part of the right wing. She defeats the section commander near Armin but mysteriously let Armin live after checking his face. Because of this, Armin deduces that she is looking for somebody, probably Eren, who is at the center of the formation. She meets up with Reiner and Armin and they move to distract the female titan, but fail. Krista brings horses to Armin group, saving them while the female titan continues her rampage and word reaches to the center about the right wing's fall. Instead of calling off the mission, Erwin leads them into a forest of giant trees. Eren's group ride through the middle and are chased by the female titan. Levi tells them to keep riding while reinforcements are killed off. Eren contemplating turning into a titan. Levi and Petra talk then about as we flash back to trust building within the group, so Eren decides not to transform into the titan, as the female titan catches up with them, being caught in Erwin's trap, catching her alive. At the entrance of the forest, titans begin climbing the trees to get the scout. Erwin groups tries to cut her hand, covering her neck, but they learn that she can harder in areas of her skin. The female titan screams, which call in many other titans from everywhere, who begin eating her, causing her wounds to call off the mission. Deducing that the person in female titan's body is now among them as one of their own kills Gunther. Armin deduces that the special titans were with them when Eren first turned into a titan. As Eren's group run away from the retransformed female titan, his teammates turn to expertly hold her off so Eren could escape, and they almost win. But their lack of knowledge of her abilities leads to their tragic death. Levi shows how far beyond at scale he is to most other, and they successfully retreat, and they all set off, leaving the female titan alive, priority 1 keeping Eren alive. Eren enraged finally resorts to transforming Ben on Vengeance, full of regret from not doing so earlier, battling the other titan. However, it is clear that the female is superior in every way, and he loses. The female devouring him just in time for Mikasa to arrive and pursue, showing off her skill when Levi arrives.